Boom. Rose. No, just. We need 2 eggs. Show me 2. 2 eggs, exactly. There you go. Unbelievable. Boom. Coconut milk, Rose. Yes, we're gonna make this dairy-free French toast. It's going in her mouth first, I'm sure. Just a little bit, and stop. Perfect, Rose. Honey, I need a little bit of cinnamon. Yeah, the good stuff. Just a little. Whoa. A little pinch of salt, please. And a little coffee with some creamer this morning. Dad's a little slow. Blueberry, yes. Can you pour the blueberries in here? I'll take that from you. Done. Perfect. By the way, the whole recipe is gluten-free, diabetic friendly, and keto. Rose. No, just this is keto gluten-free bread. Put a few slices in here, Rose, honey. And then in. Here come those comments again, Mom. Can't they tell this child no to anything? I just can't watch these videos anymore. Then don't, please. Brava. Now, 1 extra for you. Okay, I need a little ghee, Rose, in the pan. No. What are we supposed to use then? There. Yeah. Perfect, my sweet. By the way, this just came out this week from Laird Superfood. It's their new coffee creamer made with oats and macadamia nut. It's shelf stable, it's dairy free, it's fantastic. And the coffee, check out these ingredients. Oat milk, macadamia nuts, touch of coconut sugar. This stuff is great. It's dairy free, plant-based. I'll put a link in the post. Amazing stuff from Laird.
Yeah.
Done, yes. Let's cook that for a minute. Just about done. Done. It's done, Rosa. And the blueberries, yes. Mom, a blueberry sauce? Just blueberries and water. Perfect. Good. Milk for Daddy. Good. All right, Mommy, I'll make a plate for Mommy, don't worry. Got my coffee, got my French toast.
Mama.
We'll give a bite to Mommy.
Bra.
And Brad. Of course we will, Rose. It's hot. Here, Mommy. Perfect, Rose. Perfect.
Done.
That's good stuff, y'all. I'll type the recipe in this post. Make it. It's so darn easy. Done. All right. Later, guys. Say bye, Rose.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.